Today in Lisaland, I totally got distracted again. That's what I do best in Lisaland. I am going to show you guys what I did with my spices that I had in the kitchen. I have like the ones that we use the most, the powder ones. I have them out so that they're easy for us to access. While I was making the video, I realized every household should have a Cricut. You need a Cricut machine. It's the next household appliance. I just know it. What distracted my mind today, and it was going through Walmart, and they had these super cool little shakers for 97 cents. And I already had all of these for all my spices. Like this one it's the salt. So these are all things that I always have sitting up on the microwave, or I like to have them very handy. And then they have magnets on the bottom of them, so that because they actually stay on top of my microwave shelf. I didn't know that it could do that. It was very exciting for me. Anyhow, I found these, and they're a lot cooler because I can put more spices in them because they're just better looking, and I knew that the words would stick to the smooth glass on this a lot better. We have lots of salt. I try not to use that much salt in our food. I'd rather use all the other yummy stuff that's out there in the world. I went into my Cricut design space. Let me see here. Oh, I think maybe the computer's dead. I need to go charge it. All right, so I'm not going to be able to show you how I put it in the design space. However, you just put it in there, you write out your words, pick your font, blah, blah, blah. Then you stick it to your Cricut sheet. And then I use the contact paper because it's cheaper than transfer paper. Clean these off with a little non-drinking alcohol. Oof. I need to plug in my hot glue gun. Okay. I'm cleaning them with alcohol to make sure I get all the oils and everything, the soaps and stuff that was on them. And some of this is the Cricut vinyl, and some of it is the Oracle 631. Both of these I have found in my dishwasher. As long as I put them on the top shelf, they are dishwasher safe. Any of the vinyl decals that I've done, I haven't tried them on the bottom shelf. I'm just sure that heat's probably not good for it. So I am going to find my other tool that I need right now. All my tools are in the top. There's not a lot of tools involved in it. And then all down here, I got all my scraps. Here, this is all my specialty HTV vinyls. Anyhow, I just need this little pick right here. The parts that I don't need from the vinyl. And I did waste quite a bit of vinyl when I did these, mostly because I was just trying to use up scraps. This is going to sound horrible. However, this vinyl here that I use on cups, it's not as expensive as the HTV, so I do waste it. I know, it's horrible that I just said that, but it's true. I do. Oh, snap. Snap, snap, snap. See, things like this happen everywhere. Which kind is this? It's the Cricut. Cricut. You really don't need to be like a total perfectionist when you're doing this. Which is good, because that is the last thing I am, is a perfectionist. I really think that every household should own a Cricut. I really think that it should be put under the category of necessities for in the house. Kind of like all the rest of our appliances, the Cricut machine should be considered an appliance in this household. And it's way cheaper well, I mean, like if you get the Cricut maker, it's not way cheaper, but it's definitely cheaper than a new washing machine or dishwasher. And then you can find ways around making sure your supplies aren't expensive. You watch for the cells and stuff. You're good to go. Did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to take my contact paper. It's not working out very well right now. I got it. Voila. Oh, I threw the wrong part away. I saved it from the trash. So I'm just gonna put it on there. I'm gonna rub it over the top of it. It's not working out very well. What the heck? We'll try rubbing it this way. When you start peeling it off of here, if you keep it super close, well, right now we're using the contact paper, but if you keep it super close, it makes it a lot easier to take the letters off. If you just like rip it off, your letters aren't going to stay on. I am going to put it on here as straight as I can. Then when you take this off, you do the same thing again. Make sure that you hold it as close to the object as possible. There's the pepper. Stuff is salt. And I like to make sure that all these have it marked down what they actually are, so you don't accidentally grab onion powder. I mean, it's not exactly the same color, but you could accidentally mess that up and really screw up your whole meal. That would not be a good thing to happen. And I will reuse a piece of contact paper until I can't anymore, until it stops working. With my Cricut machine, the reason why every household should have one for an appliance is because you can make cards with it. It's super simple. You have to learn to program. It's really easy to make the cards with it. You can make personalized t-shirts with it. You can do like things like this with it. Okay, so then once I have all that done, I'm going to dump these spices in here so I can take the magnets off of the bottom of them, because I have used these magnets numerous times now. They go from one project to another. And then I just hot glue the magnets to the bottom. And I smash it down super flat so that they look nice and even up on top of the microwave. Pepper right here. Oh, I need to put more pepper in there. I have two. I can do two at once. Let me see here. So it's garlic. Garlic. It smells spicy. So spicy. So spicy. Look, I'm gonna multitask. Multitasking. Two at once. I think this one's really stuck on there. It might be the end of this magnet's life. Oh, no. It's not. It gets to continue on with its purpose. I'm so excited to put these up, you guys. You have no idea. This is why I got distracted. I really am working on the boots with the fur. They're like, they're honestly, they're ready to go. Just keep getting distracted with other things. Okay. And these, I don't know what I'm going to use these for. I'm sure that there's something I can use them for. See right up here, onion, salt, garlic needs to be filled, cumin, cayenne, and the pepper. Hey, look, when I open the door, it stays. and they're magnetic. This is the whole thing up here. It's metal, so these stick on it. Like, they don't move around that easy. Everybody should get a Cricut. It's like the perfect appliance for a household. Cricut, the ultimate household appliance. So what I've got for you today, my distraction of the day was spices. It's all spicy. If you enjoyed this video, or you might be interested in what else I might get distracted with, I will get distracted. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos. Have a great day. We'll see you later in Lisaland.